Hey guys, Tech Nutso here, and I'm back again with another video. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is about what's on my iPhone. So let's get started. My primary phone is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's on 16.1.2 currently. I'm rocking the Daily Objects glass case which was gifted by my big brother. It's my favorite case and I occasionally use it. I use privacy tempered glass which comes with an earpiece dust net. I have also installed camera ring protectors on my lenses as I sometimes use my iPhone without any case. Here's a call card from my friend's mobile accessory store. Give him a call or visit his store. Use code word TechNutso for best price. I use the 18-watt charger which was included in the box to charge my iPhone. My lock screen and home screen wallpapers both are from Unsplash. My favorite widget on my home screen is from the app named Motivation. Every time I unlock my iPhone, it never fails to motivate or inspire me. Now let's talk about some apps I use. Notion. It is where I write my video and reel script. Your notes are synced between all the devices that you sign in from. It's a productivity app that helps you think, write and plan. It's a must for all content creators and business owners. Give it a try. Vlog Now or VN. It is a free video editor app that I use to edit my videos. It's not as powerful as LumaFusion, but it's really good. It has a simple and easy interface which is good for beginners. Flight Radar 24. Ever seen an airplane around you and wondered where is it going? This app tracks flights in real time. Open the app and click on the airplane to know where is it going, the ETA, speed of the aircraft, altitude and the type also. Apple Music. I have subscribed to Apple Music because the sound quality they provide is very high. The recommendations are not very good like Spotify, but as I'm an audiophile, I choose the music quality. Support app. Apple Support gives us personalized access to solutions for all Apple products and services. If you have any issues on your iPhone, you can diagnose them in the app and can even talk to Apple experts to resolve your issues. Shazam. This app helps me recognize music playing around me. I turn this on when I hear some good music and in just a matter of seconds, the name pops up on my iPhone. This app is owned by Apple itself and is very well integrated with the iOS. AnyDesk. You all must be knowing about this app, I guess. Through this app, you can remotely control your laptop, PC from anywhere. The PC laptop should be connected to the internet. I often use this app when I'm not at home. Tether. If you have a TP-Link router at your home or office, you should try this app. Using this app, you can remotely access and manage your router through your smartphone. From setup to upgrading your router software, you can do the most things. You can also block any device from using a Wi-Fi connection you don't recognize as your own. Todoist. I use this app to schedule my day and organize my day-to-day tasks. This app has a widget so that I don't need to open the app every time. Its minimal design and easy to use features are what I like the most about this app. These are some of the apps I use in my life regularly. So if you enjoyed watching the video, a like and subscribe would make my day and motivate me to make really good content for you guys. Comment on which apps are you excited to try out. So here I end my video. See you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.